Good morning, everyone. So, today we will start with the new chapter, that is chapter 7th, evolution. Okay, so what do you mean by evolution? Evolution means the process by which different kinds of living organisms that are believed to have developed from the earlier ones during the history of the earth. Or you can say that it is the sequence of gradual changes which takes place in the primitive organisms over millions of years, in which new species that are produced. So all of you know about the Big Bang theory. So what is Big Bang theory? That because of a huge explosion, okay, because of the huge explosion around 20 billion years ago, the universe that expanded, and the temperature it came down. Because of that, as the temperature decreases, the gases they start to condense. They start condensed, and as the gases condensed, they form the galaxies. And earth means the earth that is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. And earth was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. So you have to learn this, that around about 4.5 billion years ago earth was formed. It is an important question. And there was no atmosphere on early earth at that time. Okay, but some molecules like water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide and ammonia, they released from the molten mass, and which covered the surface of the earth. And by the action of the UV rays, this water vapor, it releases the hydrogen and oxygen, and then hydrogen escaped, and the oxygen, when combined with methane, it produces the carbon dioxide, and when oxygen combined with the ammonia, then it produces the water molecules. Then what happened? The ozone layer was formed. Okay, and how the ozone layer form? As the oxygen that is present in the atmosphere, so by the action of the UV rays, this oxygen it will split into O and O. Okay, like here it is O2, but by the action of UV rays, this O2 it will be converted into O and O. So when a single O, that is monoatomic O, when reacts with the O2, okay, then it will form the O3. So if suppose oxygen that is present, then it form the ozone layer also. And as the earth temperature it cooled down, the water vapors that are present, means the water vapors which are present in the atmosphere, they fell as rain to form oceans. Okay, so this is general, means the earth that it looks like, where no atmosphere, means in earlier time no atmosphere was there, but later on these molecules that were present because of when the after the releasing from the molten mass, and then ozone layer that was also formed, and as the earth cooled, then oceans also formed. But the question is that how the life originated. So next we will discuss about the origin of the life.